In last videos, you can see the PDUs for AI data centers with cables. In this video, I would like to say the industrial plugs for the AI data center also in mass production. 63 amperes and 125 amperes. This industrial plug is especially for the AI data center. 5 cores coppers with nickel for the conductivity, and the whole connectors plugs is UL certified and IP67. This is animated. If you just interested in the plugs or sockets, welcome contacting us.